Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Holden Malibu CD, stock reference number 5133. This shape runs from the 6th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2017. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, left hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 1 small dent, left rear door has 4 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre, left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, boot lid appears to have no damage, right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touch screen, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp with sunglass holder, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.